In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and add a logo on WordPress website. I'm using right now generic page theme. So now I'm on my WordPress dashboard. Actually, every theme are pretty different, but this is the same way. Just click on appearance, then go to the customization. Now click on site identity, then you can see this is a logo option. Just click here, then you need to import from your PC. So I just click on upload file, then select file, then this is my logo, example purpose, and just click on select. Again, you need to crop this image if you want, but if you don't want, just skip this one. So okay, so I want to keep it here and here. Okay, that's good. Just click on crop image. You can see it's already working on my sites really good and look like attractive. So now just click on publish. Wow, you can see it's already added. So I need to just changes some pixel here, given purpose, white logo, white. Okay, that's good. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.